Everybody fucking jump!
Start. Got some box act. You reached the Air Force 107 Skeleton QS, Court Purple, and Court Purple. I don't know why Nike decided to release Halloween shoes in April, but you know we were getting our pairs. I think I already got some of these. I believe that all these Nike reserve bullshit is just in-store returns. Shoe isn't bad. Nice quality of the shoe. This is probably one of the best shoes that Nike has ever sent me in terms of quality. The box is a little bit bad. Let me do this, guys. Give me 1 second. I don't know what's the matter with this stupid camera. There we go. The box is a little bit bad, but everything else is okay. Give you guys another spin. I don't know what's up with this camera. Bottoms on this shoe. If you wear this shoe, you'll be able to be a Halloween superstar. It's got a little top action. Like I said, the best feature of this shoe is the little bony foot that you get to see. A little bit of box dust on mine, but other than that, it's perfect. Like I said, I would have personally liked if this shoe had actually came out. I believe they did come out in time for Halloween. I'm just not quoting it right, but I got an orange pair, and I believe I had another pair. I can't remember what color it was. Maybe green. I do believe I did have some of these before Halloween. I guess they just made this restock after Halloween. It's a pretty popular shoe. A lot of people like this shoe. I guess due to the bony nature of the foot. Let me know what you guys think about this shoe. Did you try to cop any of the Adidas Skeletals? The Air Force Skeletals, I'm sorry. Think about some Adidas shoes now. I'll let you get it, guys. A view of what the shoe is going to look like when it's on your foot. Let me know what shoes you're buying. Let me know what shoes you want to see on the channel next. Everybody stay safe. Have a nice day.
Everybody fucking jump!